all day today. I've been baling since 11 o'clock. This stuff is heavy. Well, not too far. I already baled that over there. Doing a little night baling. Hoping I'll be done for his plum dark. We'll see. I figured I would show y'all this. This is going to continue on into another video, but I was intending on filming this today, but I've just had so much trying to bail, and it's been having to go slow because it's so heavy. But I got all that done over yonder, which is the big field, and I've been working on this small one across the road. We'll get her done. Head home tonight. So, see you in a minute. I hope you can hear me better today than you did the other day. I don't know what happened with the mic. When I was talking the other day, for some reason or another, it didn't pick me up very good. I think it wasn't plugged in good, but I got plugged in good today, so we'll give her another try. Me and Dad's baling hay. Y'all seen that clip that was last night? Went up and baled that place. It averaged that I was in when y'all were watching me averaged nearly 7 rolls to the acre. Some of y'all probably think I'm crazy, but that's what it did. This over here to the left of me, you can't see it. It's on the other side of the creek over there. That is a field that we normally bale. This we had cattle on, and we're baling it. But that over there averaged 8 rolls to the acre, so it's doing good. We're just slinging them. This here is not averaged that much because we didn't get the cows off till I think it's around April when we got them off, and so obviously it's not as good. Now across the road, we got the cows off last winter, and it's really heavy. That's what y'all watched me in the last video, cutting hay. It was really heavy. I'm interested to see how it's going to do. I'm probably not going to roll a whole lot of it. I'm going to square it. If you've looked at this hay and you're probably wondering why you're rolling that, it sure is pretty. I need round rolls. I'm out of round rolls. I got to get some up. So that's why we're rolling. So if you're watching and you buy from me, I got you some fresh rolls. But and it's pretty stuff, boy. This is fescue, and it's pretty. And that across over there, it's real heavy and thick. I'm planning on squaring it tomorrow, at least part of it anyway, and I might roll the other part, depending on how good a time we make. So I'll have to haul it up and everything, and we've got to haul this up for Saturday. Today's Thursday. We got to haul this up. Rain's coming in Saturday. If they haven't changed it, I hope there's a slight chance tomorrow. I hope it don't rain, but hopefully we can get it all up. Man, it's pretty. Dad's baling with the 4710 and the Vermeer. Y'all probably see him. I'll try to get a little footage of him too. It's not going to be real elaborate footage. I had the drone with me. I was going to let it follow me around. When I put a roll of net in earlier, I was going to get it in the air and just let it follow us. And just get a rear shot of the tractor's baling, and it won't connect to the remote. Or to my phone. I have to have my phone to fly to watch it. And it says it needs the password to connect the phone to the remote, and the password is on the remote with a sticker, and the sticker's faded, and I can't read the password. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to try to figure that one out tonight. Maybe I can get use it tomorrow while we're square baling. While I'm waiting on Dad to bail, and I'm loading. Yeah, get some good footage then. But I wanted to do a better job filming lately, and it's just not worked out. I've had We've had too much going on and just not enough time to do it all and do it right. It's just been a lot for this week. Trying to get caught up. We cut 2 large fields down that I normally wouldn't cut at the same time, and I do smaller fields in this one and that other one in a week. But we're trying to get caught back up and get ahead, and we're just running. I mean, we've covered some ground in the last 2 days. 3 will be tomorrow too. I'm tired. I've been working a lot of hours ever since I started cutting last Saturday. Which I sat around and I didn't do nothing there forever, so it's good for me. I've lost a little weight, got some of my sitting around fat off. So it's all good. We're getting it done. We're making money. That's the best thing about it. We're making money. Finally, we're putting some good hay up and make some. But Dad's rolling right along at Vermeer. It's actually doing good today, and I know y'all are probably about to laugh, but I swear that thing's baling better with that Massey pulling it than that performance. Yeah, I know y'all are laughing at me right now. It is funny. I swear, it is baling some pretty bales of hay today. I don't know what's going on with it. They're not lopsided, they're not funny looking, they're just pretty. Maybe because we're in pure fescue. Pure fescue seems to make really pretty bales and form right, and versus all that ryegrass and everything else we generally have in the spring. But that's enough for today. Me yammering on. I hope y'all enjoyed us watching us bale a little bit. There is better videos coming, I promise y'all. Y'all just bear with me. Trying to get y'all something to let y'all know what we got going on. I hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.